Season the chicken with pepper, Himalayan salt, paprika, turmeric, onion, and garlic powder. Add natural yogurt for about 2 tablespoons and mix well, set aside. We need corn flour for first coating. And for second coating, I have 1 cup of flour and season with the same seasoning I use for the chicken. Beat 2 eggs and season it with about 1/2 teaspoon or tablespoon of gluten-free soy sauce. Now one at a time, coat the chicken with beaten egg. Roll it in the corn flour, making sure that it's well coated, and shake off the excess flour. And let's do the second coating. Dip it again in the egg, and this time coat it with your flour mixture and shake off the excess flour. Taking your time, continue doing the same with the rest of the chicken. Heat the oil in medium heat, at least up to 175 Celsius, and start frying your chicken. For a better result, avoid overcrowding your pan so you can keep the oil temperature stable. Frying on both sides for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning once. You can sear the pan or the chicken once in a while for even cooking. We're done. Transferring it now on a plate covered with kitchen towel. The kitchen towel will absorb all the excess fat. Now just cook the rest of your chicken the same way. And my serving suggestion: with fresh salad and with crisscross potatoes. It's a frozen product from the shop. You can just heat your oven for 220 Celsius and cook it for about 20 minutes. And ready. Enjoy! Thank you for tuning in, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Thumbs up, like and share. And whenever you have time, check out my previous videos in this channel.